For lesson 3.2, they are using their doubles that they learned yesterday to help them with their adding. So it's really important. If they know their doubles and have memorized those, that will help them a lot. But what we're trying to have them see, looking at question number 1, is we're having them see that we can find a doubles in 5 plus 6. So in class, we drew a line to show that both of those numbers, they each have 5 in them. That would be the doubles. They wouldn't be 6 and 6 because 5 doesn't have enough cubes, but they each have 5 and 5. So we can break it down to be in that group of 6, we can break it down so there's 5 and then there's one more. And then they can see 5 plus 5 is 10, plus one more is 11, so then 5 plus 6 is 11. The same thing on number 2. They can see the two towers, we call them towers in class, lined up. Both of those numbers, they're not going to have 9s in them. That's what they're going to want to say is, well, we can just do 9 plus 9. But the 8 doesn't have that many. But if we draw a line, we can see that both columns, or both towers, they do at least have 8. So to break up that 9, we would say it would have 8, and then there's 1 left over at the top. And then with their doubles, 8 plus 8 is 16, plus 1 more is 17. Whoops, and I wrote 16. Is 17. There we go. Okay, then at the bottom, on numbers 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, once again, they're just finding the doubles. So both on number 3, both of those numbers will have 7. So 7 plus 7 is 14, and then add one more. If they're not ready to do that, they can also use our touch dots, but we're just trying to teach them some new strategies besides just counting up the number, just something that's a little bit faster. Number 9 is an addition problem. And then on the back side, the first one, they're just having to decide which one of those is the same thing as 7 plus 8. So doubles, 7 plus 7 plus one more. And then number 2, what is the difference? Difference is their answer, so their answer would be 2. And then at the bottom, number 3, if with their part whole box, they know the whole and they know a part, so they can do 7 minus 2 is 5 for their answer.